Welcome to Wyatt, Philip, and Fraser's facial recognition door.
Okay, so as you can see here, it's showing my face on the screen from the camera feed up there. And now this system here, so we have an LED to show whether the door is locked or not. So at the moment it's locked because the LED is on. If the door is unlocked, the LED will turn off for a few seconds, allowing the user to enter. Okay, so at the moment there's no one on the guest list, so if we add myself, there we go, and I'll just type in my name. Okay, so now I'm on the guest list, so I can click the button here to gain access to the door.
Welcome to the facial recognition door, Wyatt. Nor loves you, so I will open the door for you.
So you can see that the LED is turned off, meaning that the door is unlocked for a short time, and now it's back on again, so it's locked again. But I would have been able to get into the door. Now if I cover my face like this and try again.
Sorry. Nor doesn't love you, so you shall not pass.
And pass I shall not, because the LED has remained on, so it will not let me in because it did not detect my face in the image it took.